Hi, my name is Elie. I'm an electrical engineer with Nova Scotia Power. We're in Dartmouth today to talk about a pilot project we've been working on for some time, the IntelliRupter project, which is meant to bring a lot of benefit to our customers. An IntelliRupter is a smart device designed to minimize the impact of power outages. It quickly detects issues in the electrical line and reroutes power to ensure that as few customers as possible are affected. For most customers, this might just cause a brief flickering lights, and for those directly affected by the outage, it allows repair crews to quickly and safely locate and fix the issue, restoring power more efficiently. During our winter storm in December, we had about 2,500 customers affected, but within a matter of seconds, the IntelliRupter reacted quickly and it isolated the problem, restored electricity to approximately 1,500 people. Right behind me, you're going to see the IntelliRupter. This is one of the 12 devices that we have here in the Dartmouth area. Right on the line, you'll see electricity flows right through the conductor, through that silver box. That's where the magic happens. Comes outside and supply the rest of the customers. Now, in an event where there's a fault on the line, upstream from that device will react quickly. It will isolate the line, and it will talk to its teammate from the other area, backfeeding electricity up to this point. And in this specific example, the elementary school will benefit from this pilot. To find out more about the ways we use technology to strengthen our system, visit nspower.ca/reliability.